The toolbar is the area of the interface where you'll find tools and the most common actions needed to work with assets in Dimension. Each tool provides unique methods for creating and interacting with content directly in the viewport. Only one tool can be active at a time, and each tool has many sub-tools and options for controlling its behavior. Tools that have a small triangle in the bottom right of their icon, like the Select tool and Shape tool, have additional options that you can access by clicking and holding the tool icon. Add and Import Content icon allows to import assets or browse the marketplace. Select tools. Select tools allow you to select, move, rotate, and scale objects in the viewport. Align and distribute. Align and distribute a selection of objects evenly with one another. Shape tools. The shape tools allow you to build basic primitive shapes in the viewport. Text tools. The text tools help you create 3D text and typography. Magic Wand tool. The Magic Wand tool allows you to make automatic subselections of objects. Sampler tool. The Sampler tool allows you to sample and apply materials in the viewport. Camera tools. Camera tools allow you to navigate in the viewport to view the 3D scene. Canvas tools. The Canvas tools allow you to move the 2D view of the canvas when using camera objects. Pan tool. The Pan tool allow you to pan the 2D view of the canvas when using camera objects. Dolly Zoom tools. Use the Dolly and Zoom tools to control the camera in the viewport or while looking at a 2D canvas. Additional tools. The toolbar also holds a Zoom and Hand tool. These tools are only available when looking through a camera that is not the default viewport camera, and they allow you to change the zoom or location of the canvas within the viewport. Additionally, at the bottom of the toolbar is the Assets button, which allows you to hide or expand the Assets panel.